Universal Home Renovations did just that. They renovated this entire home from top to bottom. I truly think the only thing that they did not revamp are the framing and the drywall. They built new bathrooms, new bedrooms, new closets, a new kitchen, a new living room, a breakfast bar, a lounge, a new stair rail, new floors, new lights, a new window, and new carpet. This company proved that they can do it all and do it well. Since it was such a large project, months of research came before the decision was made. After several interviews with multiple companies, Universal Home Renovations was the clear choice because the price was right, the response time was immediate, and Russ's attention to detail and willingness to be flexible was beyond compare. Now that the project is done, I can honestly say that all the positive reviews that this company has received is right on par with the job that they do. Universal Home Renovations made my dream home a reality, even when that meant putting the project on hold to wait for the materials that I had selected to arrive. Additionally, due to the fact that we were renovating during the height of COVID, delays happened more than once. Nevertheless, Russ always remained calm and, when possible, found other projects to work on in order to keep the job progressing. You know, you don't realize how much time you're going to spend with your contractor until the job starts. These people are in your house all day, every day, for months on end. Therefore, it's important to choose someone that is not only trustworthy, but also pleasant to be around. And Russ has these categories nailed. Each day he showed up, he greeted me with a smile and a kind salutation. Russ is happy. He's funny, optimistic, solution-focused, and always has his customers back. I also appreciated that he was willing to give his professional opinion when requested, as this helped me to make informed decisions. Lastly, this man and his crews take great pride in the work that they do. It was fun to see Russ and his guys get excited with me when the final product looked even better than we had expected. The team at Universal Home Renovations are now considered family. Their hard work decorates this house and fills it with the memories that we created together on this extreme makeover journey. This house is a reflection of the quality job that can be done when people pour their hearts, souls, and energy into what they do. The other day, I looked around my home and was overwhelmed with gratitude for the fact that now that all is said and done, there is not one thing that I wish looked differently. That feeling is a gift. Compliments of the patience, dedication, endless work ethic, and commitment to excellence that Universal Home Renovations prides itself in.